taking what they're giving, cause I'm working for a living.
This is the Checka Pro Radio Show, sponsored by CheckaPro.com. To find pre-qualified local service providers, click on CheckaPro.com. Here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Jim Clouk.
That name sounds familiar. That is me. I am Jim Clouk, a.k.a. Checka Pro Joe. Welcome to my radio program, the Checka Pro Radio Show. Been doing this now for over 20 years. And what that is helping you, my friends and neighbors here in my neighborhood, find pre-qualified home service professionals. These are contractors that come to your home, whether it's an HVAC company or roofer, foundation repair, electrician, plumber, or garage door guy. Yeah, my garage door guy is Cody Johnson from Garage Door Doctor. He's here in the studio. Cody, welcome to the show.
Well, thank you for having me. I'm excited to be here.
It is so great to have you here. You're one of my favorite guests. You and I get to help all of our listeners. There's thousands of people listening right now, so don't get nervous, Cody.
I'm getting a little bit. I'm getting a little bit nervous.
Thousands of people listening right now. They mostly have a garage door. I say that most people who own a home have a garage door. I'm going to say it's probably 90% or something. Some people who live in rural areas may not, may have a carport or whatever. But a lot of people in the neighborhoods that are listening, they have a garage door. They may have multiple. They could have 2 or 3. And for those of you who do have a garage door, you must listen for the entire show today, because we aren't just talking about deals and offers that are brought by Cody today, but we have got solutions for maintenance. People are writing in and calling into the show today with situations they have, and their situation could be much like yours. So today we're going to learn a lot.
Oh, yeah. I love this. I love the opportunity to be here because I love to help educate our listeners and eventually our clients, right? So that's what I love about this, help educate about their garage door system and, the do's and the don'ts and what's safe and what's not safe.
Absolutely. I want to thank all of the first responders and military who take care of us. Let's start with the military. Thank you so much for protecting us today and for veterans who've protected us in the past. Thank you so much. First responders, of course, it's dangerous out there, everywhere. The highways, the byways, in our homes, the workplace. Thank you so much. And seniors, well, without seniors, you and I wouldn't be here, right? Because of our parents, right? Even seniors. And so I bring this up because for seniors, first responders, and military, Garage Door Doctor offers 5% off. So everything we're talking about today, just remember, for you guys, the seniors, first responders, military, you're going to get 5% off from our friends at Garage Door Doctor.
Yeah, absolutely. It's our way to help try to give back, and we appreciate you, and thank you.
One of the biggest issues people have are noisy garage doors. Noisy, noisy, noisy. And you know what? Actually, coming up later in the show, and you may have to remind me to do this.
Okay.
We need to put on the air, on the show today, my noisy garage doors before the new rollers. We've done that before, right? The before and after audio. Hey, Jerry, who's my producer. Hey, Jerry, would you please cue those up? And let me make a note here. Noisy garage door audio. Yeah, because they sounded horrible before my new rollers.
They did. I think the listeners will enjoy listening. Well, they're not going to enjoy listening to the before. They'll enjoy the after, right? But a lot of their doors sound like your before. So
yeah. Now, I can't speak for Cody, but I'm going to speak for myself. Now, Cody is the expert in garage doors. I'm just a homeowner that happens to have really nice garage doors that sound really good. So I'm going to speak from my perspective. If you have a garage door that's loud and creaky and irritating to you, your family, and your neighbors down the street, which can happen, when you get new rollers from Cody at Garage Door Doctor, I guarantee you, I do. Cody's not going to guarantee this. I guarantee you your garage door is going to sound like a new door, or at least a newer door, because most of the noise generally coming from your garage door are from substandard rollers. Is that fair to say?
Yeah, most of the time when I see a lot of noise, it's coming mostly from the rollers. Now, the other half could be maybe an opener or something like that, but definitely the rollers will help reduce that noise and make it smoother. Absolutely.
Great news for my listeners. Cody's going to give 10 of my listeners, just 10 of my listeners, 10 free premium nylon rollers. They're free, absolutely free. However, there is a catch. Yeah, you got to deal with Cody and his guys because they're going to come out. They're going to give you 10 free rollers, but you need to pay $129 for the garage door tune-up. And in a few moments, Cody's going to go through some of the things that he and his team are going to do when they come out to give you your garage door tune-up for just $129. You're going to get 10 free, I said free, premium nylon rollers. These are going to make your door sound brand new. On top of that, I asked Cody for some more because I'm always shaking him upside down. The nickels and pennies fall out. By the way, they don't mint pennies anymore. Anyway, so they could be worth a lot.
That's right.
Nickels and pennies and some dimes fall out of his pocket when I flip them upside down. I said, I need more. And he said, what? And I said, well, that 29-point safety inspection you do, can you throw that in at the end as well? And you said?
I said, absolutely. We'll do it just for you.
Awesome. Just for you guys, my listeners. This is awesome. Thank you so much, Cody. I really appreciate it. I'm going to give out Cody's number right now. Only 10 people are going to get this offer. I want you to call right now. Here is Cody's number.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Okay, so when you call, use the promo code 129. That will remind you and kind of help the CSRs, the customer service reps, because there are different offers. This is like the richest offer, okay? So this is important. You heard it on the radio when you call. The 129 garage door tune-up, and this is worth over $500, by the way, and the 10 free rollers. Tell the customer service rep that they are going to set up an appointment with you at your convenience, but only 10 of my listeners are going to get this today. By the way, 5% off for seniors, first responders, and military. Call right now. Here's Cody's number.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
So, Cody, before we go to break in just a few minutes, it's a few minutes away, talk a little bit about the garage door tune-up. Someone calls, they make an appointment, they're going to get the 129 deal. It's worth over $500, everything involved here, including the rollers. They're going to get 10 free rollers. But when you guys come out, what are you going to do on the tune-up?
Yeah, absolutely. So we're going to get there. We're going to, make sure everything's working safe first, right? Sometimes the door's obliterated and you want it tuned up. Well, I don't know. We'll see, right? But let's assume everything's in working order. Make sure everything looks and appears safe at first. We'll get started. We're going to oil the door. We're going to make sure the nuts and bolts are tight, both on the tracks and on the door. A lot of times there's screws missing, nuts loose, things like that. That's not good. And then we're going to also inspect your opener, garage door opener, assuming you have one. And we're going to lubricate all the moving parts, all the metal moving parts. So the hinges, after we change the rollers, we'll oil the rollers, lubricate your bearing plates and the springs if they're visible. And we're gonna do a good overview of what the opener looks like too.
Yeah, so it's comprehensive.
Absolutely.
And this is something, by the way, if you haven't had this done, which most of my listeners haven't had this done, we're bad as homeowners. We really pretty much react to a problem versus being proactive. I'm asking you to be proactive for just $129, everybody. But this is something you should be doing at least once a year, having Cody come out.
Oh yeah, absolutely. That's kind of the gold standard is to inspect it and tune it up at least once a year, and that's what the goal of this is. And we want to build a relationship with you. So if there's any other issues, or if you have like your mom or your dad you want to refer somebody out to, that's the goal here, is to build a great relationship with our clients long term.
Call now to get 10 free, I said free, premium nylon rollers for your garage door. Get a 29-point inspection, but you've got to get the garage door tune-up. That's the beginning. It's a prerequisite, okay? But you really need to get it tuned up. But I'm telling you, companies don't come out and give you 10 free rollers. This is actual product. This is hardware that they put on. They don't just drop it off in a box. They're going to install these and make sure they're running smooth. You're not going to believe these things. I'm telling you. The before and after is crazy. I'll be playing before and after of my garage door roller exchange pretty soon. Call now to get your 129 garage door tune-up and 10 free premium nylon rollers. Here is Cody's number.
281 343 3632. That's 281 343 3632. Again, a little slower, 281 343 3632.
Now, I want everyone to understand that Cody and his team at Garage Door Doctor do not offer this to anybody. Cody is a friend of mine. I know his family owned and operated business. I know his brothers, dad, mom, everybody. Good people. I asked him to come in and educate my listeners. I don't trust anybody to come to my home. Only the people you hear here on my show. I can then basically expose you to them. Otherwise, I don't want you, my listeners, to be with the wrong contractors. Now, Cody, let's be fair. Contractors can't be trusted for the most part. I mean, you know that. You've been in the business. I mean, you grew up in the business. But you guys do things differently, and that's why I can have you on my show. You're pre-qualified.
Yeah, absolutely. And when we found you, it wasn't just like, oh, we found you and we want to sign up. It was like, we have to have insurance. We have to show background check, drug tested, and all that, and references from real life people. And it was actually very difficult for us all to align.
I don't want to get a phone call from my listener saying, hey, I hired a contractor and they, did me wrong.
Yeah.
And that's why it's so important. And I appreciate your patience and your family going through that process. Thank you so much. Hey, we're going to take a quick break. When we come back, we're going to be going out to the phones, and we've got some emails to answer all about garage door repair and replacement and maintenance. It's all coming up next right here on the Checka Pro Radio Show. Stand by.
Dennis Prager here. Just go to checkapro.com. You'll find names, phone numbers, affiliations, and license numbers, everything you need to feel confident about hiring a contractor and getting your project done right. Checkapro.com.
Did you know your old garage door could help save lives? Hi, I'm Tommy Mello with Garage Door Doctor. When we replaced your garage door, we put the old garage door to work, donating old doors to local first responders so they can train for life-saving rescue operations. Right now, we'll give you up to $1,000 for your old garage door when you upgrade to a new one. From simple repairs to new garage doors, call the Garage Door Doctor today.
Honest quality work at a fair price. Garage Door Doctor. Garage Door Doctor.
I'm taking what they're giving because I'm working for a living.
This is the Checka Pro Radio Show, sponsored by CheckaPro.com. To find pre-qualified local service providers, click on CheckaPro.com. Here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Jim Clouk.
Yeah, I've got a hard hat. My wife says I've got a hard head. I'm not really sure what that means. I'm not sure if it's a compliment. What do you think, Cody?
I think it's an absolute compliment.
Okay, there you go. If you have a hard head, you don't need the hard hat. Hey, I'm going to give out Cody's phone number again. This is for anybody who's listening who has a garage door that is making a whole lot of noise, but it could have other problems too. And so for $129, you're going to get a complete, comprehensive garage door tune-up. You're going to get 10 free premium nylon rollers from Garage Door Doctor. And you're going to get a 29-point safety inspection. This is worth over $500. Over $500 just for $129. Call right now. Only 8 of these left. We started off with 10. And Jerry, my producer, he's been with me for 20 years. Great guy, Jerry. Says only 8 left. Call right now.
281 343 3632. That's 281 343 3632. Again, a little slower. 281 343 3632.
Okay. Jerry, do me a favor. Cody and I want to play for our listeners the before. My old rollers. Nasty, nasty. I will warn everybody. Once we start playing it, you may want to turn the volume down a bit, but you'll have to turn it up quite a bit more after, because we're going to play the after with the nylon rollers, and that you really have to turn the volume up to hear, right?
Absolutely. So cover your ears and then uncover your ears, right? So let's see, or let's listen to it.
Exactly. Here we go. Okay, Jerry, go to the first audio file, the one that's called Noisy Garage Door Rollers. Well, Cody, how are you feeling now?
I think Jerry turned my audio up on that. You're supposed to turn it down, okay? So, like, my ears hurt now.
Yeah, exactly. So, everybody, that's what my garage door sounded like before the new rollers. Many of you can identify with that. And you may not totally understand until you hear the second audio clip, which Jerry's about to play, because when you hear my garage doors, no joke, these are my garage doors today, you're going to be like, I've never heard that in my garage. And if not, you can call today to get your 10 free premium rollers. Jerry, hit audio clip number 2 of my new quiet garage door rollers. Well, that's a difference.
It's a sound of beauty right there. That's exactly how it should sound like, right? So in the first audio version, that actually is probably what most of our listeners actually hear when they hit their opener button, and it's shaking, it's rattling, it's screeching, and kind of grinding and going all the way up and down. It shouldn't sound like that. Like, that much noise is a cry for help. That means there's friction. Where there's noise, there's friction. We got to figure out what it is and why it's happening and get that resolved, because eventually something will break. But what we simply did for you is just change the rollers with the premium I've said that funny, premium nylon rollers, and then, of course, lubricated the door. Now, you can still hear a buzzing noise, which is your opener, but what was it? A reduction of maybe you have about a third of the noise, if not, maybe at most half the noise. But more importantly, that door is working smooth. The opener is now gliding. It's just barely pushing, going up and down. And that's the goal. Make the whole entire system run a lot better. And that's how it should sound is your second audio file. That's how it's supposed to sound all the time.
Yeah, if you would like to get 10 free premium nylon rollers for your garage door, it's simple. Pay the $129 for a full, complete, comprehensive garage door tune-up, and you'll get 10 free premium nylon rollers like the ones I have. Your garage door is going to sound great, I'm telling you. Regardless of the panels, regardless of anything, the drums, whatever you have, it's just going to sound better. It's just amazing. You're also going to get an extra bonus I asked Cody to do, a 29-point safety inspection. So you're going to get the garage door tune-up, 10 free rollers, and a 29-point safety inspection just for $129. Jerry says there's only 6 of these left. Only 6. They're going quick. Call now.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Well, Cody, as you can hear in our ears, Jerry is telling us Harlan is on the phone.
Okay.
Yeah. And I don't know why Harlan's calling. Apparently, according to Jerry, he put up on the screen that Harlan is a listener, and he said that he also done work for him.
Perfect.
All right, so we'll see what he has to say. Hello, Harlan. Welcome to the Check-A-Pro radio show. Tell me a little bit about your garage door experience with Cody.
Technician that came out did a great job, explained everything, in detail. Just did a great job on it. I mean, didn't take him long. He did what he had to do, and he showed me the difference between the rollers that I had on the door and the ones that they replaced, and he explained everything in detail as far as the inspection that went, and that was it. I was very happy with him.
Harlan, was it what you expected when you were listening to the radio and you heard Cody and I talk about the rollers and the tune-up and inspection? When they came out, was it pretty much what you had expected?
Yeah, I mean, I've never had a garage door inspection done before, but I noticed that it was making a lot of noise, and I figured, why not give it a shot? Like I said, he came out, did an awesome job, and I'm very satisfied with him.
Terrific. And it's really a good deal for $129.
Yeah. I thought it was.
Yeah. Well, so Cody and his team want to make sure that you, his new customer, will be a new customer. And so I know that he likes to put these crazy deals out on my radio program to prove to the community that a great garage door company can come out and do a job like that. And honestly, you got the better end of the stick on that one.
I highly recommend them to, on anybody that I know that needs a garage door replacement or, maintenance done to it or inspection. I mean, like I said, the technician that came out, he just, extremely knowledgeable of what he was doing and all about the different aspects of the doors. And he showed me all the different points of the inspections they actually do. Like I said, I was extremely impressed with the way his knowledge was on what he was doing. And he can explain to you what he was doing in the detail where it wasn't all technical. It was just pretty much layman's terms. Me be just a regular old blue collar worker, I'm not into the technical terminology of things. Just give it to me in layman's terms.
Yeah, they're very highly trained, and they technically know their job as far as garage door maintenance, repair, and replacement. And, they're also trained on soft skills, which is customer service. So hopefully the technician treated you real well.
He did. And in fact, I told him I'm going to have them come back out to replace the rubber deal at the bottom of the door.
Yeah, the bottom rubber, that gets bad. Luckily, that's a pretty simple fix.
I'm going to have them get in touch with them and have them come back out and install that piece that goes at the bottom of the door.
Terrific. Well, Harlan, I appreciate your time. Thank you so much. If you need anything, never hesitate to reach out. And
take care.
All right, Harlan, you too.
Well, that was great. Well, and thank you for staying on hold and calling in. That's just I thought it was a blessing. And I love to hear everything worked out great. And that's what I'm expecting, of course. But it's always good to kind of have that come through fruition, right? Like in Harlan, kind of that testimony. I'm going to find that technician. I'm going to take him out to lunch and tell him how great he did. And but I loved it. The door sounds good. He took advantage of our offer. And then the technician kind of educated him, kind of going over the safety inspection and the 29-point safety inspection and what we're checking, why we're checking. If something's worn down, we would educate you on that and what to keep an eye out for. So I love that everything worked like it was supposed to there.
Cody, many of my listeners are 50 plus.
Mm-hmm.
I've got a secret. I'm 50 plus. And I'll tell you, and this is true, Cody's a little younger than us who are 50 plus. When you're 50 plus, and I'll say my dad's 95. So when we get older, we're more demanding. Well, basically, we don't want crap. We want people to back up what they say they're going to do. We want quality. We don't want to pay too much, so we want good value. So we're asking for a lot, Cody. We're asking for your best price and your best service. And that's one reason why I have you on the show, because a lot of my listeners may be on a fixed income now. Mm-hmm. They're home a lot. They use the garage door. They need it for safety and convenience. And so it's just important for all the people who are, 50 plus, get the best deal. And so I like the fact that you offer 5% off to seniors. That's really important because, like I said, a lot of the people listening are seniors and they are committed to us here on the radio. They trust us, and I trust you, and I want them to trust you.
Well, I appreciate that. And, that's our goal. Like I always say, and when I'm training my team, we always treat everybody like you'd want your mother treated or your father treated or whoever your most loved one is. Whoever was your caretaker, whoever you love most, treat others like you'd want them treated and be consistent. The experience should be the same. It shouldn't matter what type of house I show up or what client it is. The customer experience should be the same every single time. Do it with a smile on your face. We're in home service. Our job is to serve others, and we have to treat it like we're a guest at the client's house because that's what we are. And with that mindset coming in and keeping it through the entire job, we have thousands and thousands of 5-star reviews from our clients, and that's just great testimonies. And then our listeners sometimes call in too, and it's just wonderful.
Call now to get your $129 garage door tune-up and the 10 free premium rollers and a 29-point safety inspection for your garage door. This is worth over $500. Only a handful of these left. Call now.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Cody, an email has come in to joe@checkapro.com. That's joe@checkapro.com from Sammy. Sammy's writing in, my garage door is making loud noises. What's wrong? It's interesting because we've been talking a lot about it. It's not just rollers. It could be other things.
Absolutely. So, in general, it's going to be the rollers. So you call in right now during this show and you can get the tune up with the 10 free rollers for only $129. But there are other things that can do it. Hinges can run dry. Hinges can crack. Nuts and bolts that get loose, and now you hear a bunch of popping. The opener, sometimes people have what's called, not to be too nerdy here, but an AC motor, chain drive, or belt drive, and or an old screwdriver, you hit it and it's just rattling the whole entire house and waking the babies up and stuff. So there are quieter openers out there. Sometimes we can make it quieter. Sometimes it's just outdated and you have to change it, but you get to choose. We don't make you do anything, right? And then there's different types of garage doors. So there's doors that are, very thin sheet metal, almost like Coke can. Everybody calls it aluminum. It's actually steel. Well, that's just a thin door. And so we'll see what's going on. That's the point of the 29-point safety inspection. We're going to go through that whole entire door like a fine-tooth comb, like checking your vitals. We're going to make sure everything is safe and secure, and if there's any concerns, we'll let you know.
Terrific. Well, Sammy, you can call Cody and his team at Garage Door Doctor right now. Here is Cody's number.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Cody, before break, I want to talk about Fully Stocked Truck and why that is so important. Why you guys at Garage Door Doctor do the right thing by having a mobile warehouse.
That's a great reminder. Yes, the reason is we want to make it convenient for our listeners. That way they're not having to reschedule day after day after day waiting for parts. And we trust our techs with our inventory. That's the way it should be.
Yeah, it's perfect. Hey, we're not done. We're only halfway through the show. Cody and I will be right back right after this right here on the Checker Pro Radio Show with more garage door fun. I love it. Be right back right after this right here on Checker Pro Radio. Stand by.
This is Sebastian Gorka. If you're looking for a quality home service provider, log on to checkapro.com. That's checkapro.com.
Did you know your old garage door can help save lives? Hi, I'm Tommy Mello with Garage Door Doctor. When we replace your garage door, we put the old garage door to work, donating old doors to local first responders so they can train for life-saving rescue operations. Right now, we'll give you up to $1,000 for your old garage door when you upgrade to a new one. From simple repairs to new garage doors, call the Garage Door Doctor today.
Honest quality work at a fair price. Garage Door Doctor. Garage Door Doctor.
This is the Checker Pro Radio Show, sponsored by checkapro.com. What are the latest services, products, and techniques? The pros check in here. Here's your host, the man with a hard hat and tool belt, Jim Clouk.
And that is me. Love doing what I do. Thank you so much for tuning in each and every week to the Checker Pro Radio Show. I am a blessed person to be able to do what I do. I get to find the best contractors in town and expose them to you, if you will. Bring them to you. I think it's important because a lot of people will tell you their first impression of a home service provider contractor. Someone who comes out in a white van with a magnetic sign askew, with no muffler and rust. You know what I'm talking about. It's that contractor. You don't want him in your house. I mean, really, you don't. You're afraid. That's not true of my good friends at Garage Door Doctor. They have the best looking vans and trucks in town, and they have the most handsome and good looking crew. All with uniforms, all trained well. They go off to school and train, don't they?
We do, yeah. So our technicians are not training at your house. We send them off and we send them to a 28-day training school. So and they become certified technicians or installers or maintenance technicians, whatever the position that they're applying for. And then just consistent coaching and making sure that we deliver on the customer promise that we give and the customer experience promise that we're giving to our listeners and our clients. And just consistent coaching. And I tell you, I've got the best team. I'm a blessed man to have a team like this. So God is good.
You are very fortunate. You and I both love what we do. I'm assuming our listeners today love listening to the radio and what we do, because quite honestly, I don't want anyone listening and calling you who doesn't believe in what you do, right? I mean, isn't it much easier when you have someone who calls and says, yeah, I heard you on the radio and would love to have you come out for $129 and do the garage door tune-up and put those 10 free premium nylon rollers on and also do the 29-point inspection. Would love to get to know you, Cody, versus like, yeah, I heard you on the radio and yeah, come out. I hope you're not ripping me off. Right? Big difference.
Yeah, well, absolutely big difference. And I mean, that's what I love about this opportunity about being on your show, because your listeners trust you. And so therefore they trust us. But our job is to deliver on that trust, right? Deliver on that promise and not mess that up. So that's, our guys are fully trained. They know what they're doing, and it's not a problem. We can handle either situation. Our job is always to prove our worth, right? That's what our job is. And so it really doesn't matter if the client's on guard or not. Doesn't make a difference to us. We're going to deliver the same experience each time.
Jerry is telling me in my ear that there are only three more of these offers. We started off with 10. The offer is a $129 garage door tune-up. On top of that, 10 free premium nylon rollers. And on top of that, because I asked Cody for more, because I always do, I'm always wanting more for my listeners, a 29-point safety inspection. This is worth over $500 for just $129. It's crazy. $129. There are no catches. There's really no obligation. It just call. Here is Cody's number. Call right now.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Cody, Lori wrote in to Joe at checkapro.com. Here's her question. Why did my garage door spring break? Now, before you answer this, it's not really a fair question, Lori. We don't know for sure. But you do have some suggestions why a garage door spring could break.
Yeah, absolutely. And thank you, Lori. So I guess let me kind of set the framework. What is a garage door spring? So, most of our garage doors can weigh anywhere from 125 pounds to the heaviest one I've personally seen is right at 1,000 pounds. It's 995 pounds, according to my 3 scales I had to put under it. So anyways, so what's a garage door spring do? Well, if you've ever lifted your door, it should feel like it's less than 5 pounds on the ground. Well, how's that possible? If it's a 500-pound door, how's it weigh less than 5 pounds on ground? Well, I'll be a little bit of a nerd, counterbalance system, which is the spring system. It's designed so that way that opener that has a lot of plastic parts in there can easily go up and down. So that way you can lift it with one hand. So why would a spring break? Well, it's metal fatigue. So there's a few reasons why a spring can break, but we'll talk about why did it break at its normal lifespan. Metal fatigue is the reason it broke. And the reason it broke is because of how many cycles you use your door. Up once, down once is one cycle. So now there is extreme heat and extreme cold, which we do get in our areas in different seasons, right? And that will kind of reduce the life of those springs also over time. But in general, it's because of usage. And usage will cause a spring to break. And it's not your fault. Things happen. But the good news at Garage Door Doctor, we have 3 different levels of springs, 3 different cycles of springs. We have what we call our Max Life springs. They're proprietary to us. They're powder-coated red, so they're not going to rust. And they literally have a lifetime warranty on the parts. So if you're like, my car is stuck, I never want it to break again, do our Max Life springs. It'll never break again on you. And if it does, we're going to cover the parts. You just pay the labor, right? So and then we have 5-year springs, which are rated for 25,000 cycles. That's 2.5 times the industry standard. And then we have our 2-year springs, which is going to be your kind of standard basic springs. And we have all the options on our van, and we'll get you taken care of.
I love a lifetime spring. I'm the kind of guy who, at the stage of my life, when I get something done, I want it done right, and I don't want to have to worry about it. Unrelated, a handful of years ago, I had a new heater put in for my swimming pool and my spa.
Mm-hmm.
And I had an option of upgrading. It wasn't much money, but upgrading to what they call a it's like a pest cage. It's to keep the mice and the rats away from the wiring and so forth.
Yep.
It costs more money. All heaters should have that built in because you don't want rats to eat it. But I know what rats can do to electrical and electronics. I paid the extra money because I didn't want the hassle. When it comes to springs, pay a little more money for a lifetime. And God forbid if something happens, well, Garage Door Doctor is going to have to pay for it. It's not your problem.
That's right. It's a one and done, and it's worry-free system is basically the goal. But our job's to give you options. We don't give ultimatums. We give options, and you choose. We'll educate you on what we believe is best, based on your situation, but you get to choose. So we don't hide options from you. The clients get to choose.
Cody's phone number, I'll be giving that out in just a moment, but before I do, you've got to know why you should be calling. And I don't know if you know this, Cody, but people tune in and out of the radio show here and there. People are on their way to places, going home from a place, or they get fidgety and they tune in and out of the show. That's why we constantly update them on how many of these offers are left and what the phone number is. So here is the offer. The offer is $129 for a garage door tune-up. This is a complete, comprehensive tune-up for your garage door. Also, 10 free premium nylon rollers for your garage door. In the next segment, I'm going to play the before and after again of what my garage door sounded like and what it sounds like now with the new rollers. It's awesome. And on top of the rollers, a 29-point safety inspection. This is worth over $500. Cody, thank you so much for bringing this. Only $129 today, $129 to a limited amount of my listeners. We started off with 10. We only have 2 left. We've got a full segment left after this. Only 2. You've got to call now. Here is Cody's phone number.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Even if you don't want to take advantage of this deal, you don't think you want new rollers, you don't want to get your door inspected, you don't want to get a tune-up for just $129, put Cody's phone number in your phone because inevitably, when it gets too hot or too cold, the spring is going to break. Or the door comes off the track. Or one of the rollers really fails and now it's going click, 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 and it's a mess. And you're like, who is that guy? Oh, yeah, the garage door guy. Put it under Garage Door Doctor. You can put Cody's name in it, whatever you're going to remember, and put it in your phone. Here is Cody's number.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Cody, we've been talking about rollers this entire show. Before we go to break, can you talk about the differences? The premium nylon rollers are the top. What are some other ones people may have?
Yeah, absolutely. Great question. So what we're seeing most common from a builder grade, and by the way, most clients have builder grade stuff, okay? Like we all know this stuff isn't going to last more than a year or two. So most clients have builder grade rollers that are plastic that don't have ball bearings. So black plastic rollers that have maybe a 4-inch stem and there's no ball bearings. So the door sounds good for going for 2 feet, and then it kind of makes a groaning noise, for lack of better words, and then freed, and then groaning, freed, and groaning. You're like, what is happening? Why is it coming and going? It's because your rollers are sticking and not sticking because they don't have ball bearings. They're literally getting stuck on the track, and eventually they're going to square off or crack and break. So those are what I call just plastic basic builder rollers is what I call them. Then you kind of have a step up, which is metal rollers that do have ball bearings with still maybe a 4-inch stem or so. And on those are definitely much better than the other ones, but you get a lot of metal on metal noise. So a lot more ticking, tick, 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 kind of like a train going down the tracks, right? And eventually they do wear out and break. And basically, if I take it off and I kind of shake it, it sounds like a baby rattle or a maraca, then it's shot and it needs to go because the ball bearings are grinding down, gone with the wind. Then we have our premium rollers that have better grade ball bearings. So everything has different grades, different lifespans, different capacities. So nylon coated. So it's nylon coated. So when it's in the track, it's nice and quiet and smooth. Still has the ball bearings, but upgraded version, and they're going to last a lot longer for our clients.
Great explanation. That premium product is what Cody and his team are giving away at Garage Door Doctor. Only $129 for a garage door tune-up, 10 free premium nylon rollers, not those two other choices. We're talking about the top of the line. That's right. I'll be giving out Cody's phone number when we come back after the break. We're also going to be talking to Jay. He's on hold when we come back. And another question has come in, and that's from Tim.
Excellent.
Yeah, and that's coming up next, right here on the Check A Pro Radio Show. Stand by, everybody.
If you want to get a home improvement project done, but you don't know who to call, I can help. This is Dave Ramsey. Don't call. Log on to checkapro.com.
Did you know your old garage door can help save lives? Hi, I'm Tommy Mello with Garage Door Doctor. When we replace your garage door, we put the old garage door to work, donating old doors to local first responders so they can train for life-saving rescue operations. Right now, we'll give you up to $1,000 for your old garage door when you upgrade to a new one. From simple repairs to new garage doors, call the Garage Door Doctor today.
Honest quality work at a fair price. Garage Door Doctor. Garage Door Doctor.
Do you have a question for Check-A-Pro Joe? Email Joe at checkapro.com.
This is the Check A Pro Radio Show.
And back here on Check A Pro Radio. Thank you so much for joining me each and every week. My special expert guest here, a pre-qualified home service professional from Check A Pro, is Cody Johnson from Garage Door Doctor.
Well, thank you for having me.
It is great to have you here, my friend. I really appreciate it. Okay, so before the break, I said we got a lot of stuff to get done in the last segment. So before we get to emails with questions, and before we get to the before and after sound effects of my rollers, I'm going to give out Cody's number again with the deal. $129 for a garage door tune-up, 10 free premium nylon rollers, and a 29-point safety inspection. This is all worth over $500. Just $129. Call Cody right now. Here is his phone number.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
All right, Cody, before we go to the before and after of my garage door sound, and the rollers make a big difference in this. I mean, it's the rollers, okay? Let's go out to the phones because Jay is on hold.
Excellent. Yep.
Okay. Hey, Jerry, get Jay on the line.
Hello, Jay. How are you?
I'm doing fine, Joe.
So what's wrong with your garage door?
I don't have anything wrong with the garage door, but I like to do the tune-up, and it was a good deal to replace the nylon roller and all those things with that price. That is I see the good deal, Joe. And I know that I have used your contractor in the past, and it is very fantastic.
So, Jay, you're a longtime listener to my radio program then?
Yes, sir. All the time, the top-notch expert coming to your show.
Yeah, no, I appreciate that, Jay. So when you're ready to get your new rollers, feel free to give them a call. But I wouldn't wait too long. We don't want that deal to end.
No, I'm not going to. No, thank you so much.
Absolutely.
I know I listen to you, all the attic insulation and all those contractors.
Thank you for being a loyal listener and using our Check A Pro contractors. We all appreciated it. And if you ever need anything, you can go to the website and call the phone number and call me directly, and I'm here for you.
No, I did that in the past, and I will do that in the future too. Thank you, Joe.
All right, Jay.
Have a great day.
You too.
So Jay is driving around. He decided to give us a call, and he really wants you guys to come out.
This is great. This is awesome. So this is cool because he's called in. He took advantage of our offer, and I guess we're scheduled with him. So this will be awesome on this. And well, thank you, Jay, for calling us and staying on hold for us too. So I can't wait for our guys to get out there and take care of you.
Cody's phone number is
281 281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Okay, Cody, it is now time to listen to the before and then shortly after the premium nylon rollers installed on my garage door. So, Jerry, are you ready? He's given me the thumbs up in the control room. So Jerry is going to run the before, which were basically builder grade rollers.
Yep.
And then the after. All right, Jerry, go for it. So, Cody, when I was a kid in school, there was always some kid who would go up to the chalkboard back when we had when I was a kid, we had chalkboards.
Yeah.
And they would take their nails and they would go down that chalkboard, which just thinking about that makes me go crazy. Like, okay, that's what my garage door sounded like.
Absolutely, it did, didn't it? So, yeah, it hurts your ears every time, but it's amazing how fast we normalize that, right? It should not be sounding like that. That is not a good thing. Let's get it fixed. Are you going to air what the after is?
Yeah, Jerry, play the cut of my new premium nylon rollers on my garage door. No chalkboard, that's a whiteboard. It's not, right? It's not making noise.
I like that. Did he even hit play? I didn't even hear it.
I know.
How about that?
I hardly hear it.
So this is how it should be sounding like. This is a smooth operating garage door now with the new premium nylon coated rollers. And that's exactly what your garage door should sound like. There's still a buzzing noise, which is from the opener, which is still working fine. But you saw the reduction in noise, about a third to half the noise. And more importantly, a lot less vibration. That opener is working a lot smoother. All the other parts in the garage door, it's a lot smoother and easier on that. What do you think that's going to do to the lifespan of those other things? It's going to extend it out. And that's the goal. Let's be preemptive, get more life out of everything versus just, most of our clients we get there because it broke. It's already broken. How nice would it have been that your car wasn't trapped and we got here, 3 months before it broke and could have warned you about everything that's going to happen and we took care of it beforehand. And that's what the goal is, right?
Absolutely. Call Cody right now to get your free 10 premium nylon rollers, to get your garage door tune-up for $129, and on top of that, a 29-point safety inspection. This is a $500 value, all wrapped into just $129. Oh, Jerry says we're out.
Uh-oh.
So here I am trying to give something away, and we're out. So I'm going to see if I can get my buddy Cody here in the studio to do me a favor. You know what I'm asking for.
You're putting me on the spot, aren't you?
Yeah. So I'm asking for you to extend the 10. Can we do 2 or 3 more?
We can do it. I tell you what was the promo code? If they do the promo code,
$129 free rollers. That's what you say.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
If you do that today,
Okay.
We'll do it.
Okay. So you got to call the customer service rep over at Cody's company, Garage Door Doctor, and when they answer, say that you're listening to us on the radio and you want the promo code $129 for free rollers. It's the 129 Garage Door tune-up. It is 10 free. It's incredible. 10 free premium nylon rollers. And on top of that, Cody's going to throw in a 29-point safety inspection. 3 more of these. 3 more. You've got to call right now. Here's Cody's number.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Cody, this segment and the show is just about over, but I promised everybody would get another question from one of our listeners, and Tim is a listener. Tim writes into Joe at checkapro.com. My opener runs, but the door doesn't move. What's happening?
Great question, Tim. And we see this all the time. So it could be a few different things, and I'll go over it. Number one, perhaps the power just went out, right? Like maybe a rolling blackout, a tree fell on the power line, something like that. Maybe you forgot that you disengaged it. Maybe your wife or kiddos disengaged the garage door and they lifted it up manually to get the vehicle out. Well, now that you're hitting the button, you didn't even disengage it, right? You're hitting the button, you hear the opener run in, but nothing's moving other than the opener. Well, okay, it's probably just disengaged. You should be able to re-engage it, look for that red cord, find it, kind of toggle it, and get it re-engaged, and then hopefully it'll work for you. The other reason we see this sometimes is perhaps there's a gear kit inside the opener. Maybe it's stripped or the sprocket is broken. Maybe the belt is dry rot. So there could be some other issues where we hear the motor running, but perhaps the chain or belt isn't moving. Well, then that's something's going on with the opener itself. And then finally, I hear this sometimes. I hit the button, the opener works, door's not moving. What they're really trying to say to us is, I hit the button, it goes up a foot or two and stops and falls back down. That's probably going to be a broken spring. Get us out there, get our eyes on the system, and make sure that let's find out what's going on. If it's a broken spring, you don't mess with broken springs. Let the professionals take care of you.
You don't mess with broken springs, and you certainly don't mess with one that is not broken, that is under tension, because that's even worse.
That's
right?
true. Yes. Well, so to clarify, most garage doors have 2 or 3 or 4 springs on it. So you may see a broken spring and think you can mess with stuff. Nope. No. There's probably still a ton of tension up there and you can get hurt. So, yeah, but absolutely.
Do not mess with springs. Garage doors are not a DIY type of thing. Do not do it yourself. If you want to paint a room, okay. If you want to change a light bulb, but please. I'll tell you what you can do. You can change your own light bulb on your door opener. You can.
You can, but I'll tell you, they make openers with LEDs that you don't have to change the light bulbs anymore.
Well, you see, that shows you how old I am, because when I was young, I had to do that. They would send me up on the ladder, my parents, change the light bulb.
Yep.
And so we didn't even talk on today's show, and we'll do it on a future show, about all of the technology there is today, because I learn every time you come in about the technology.
Oh, it's amazing. It's amazing. It's fast. It's rapid change, too. It's really rapid change. But, for our listeners, when they call us out, have our technician go over, part of the 29-point inspection. They'll educate you everything on your garage door, but not just garage door. It's a system. Also the opener, the tracks, whatever you want to know, they can help. They can give you their perspective on it and things to budget for, too. You don't always have to buy today, right?
So, Cody, I learned something today. If you still have a screw-in light bulb, you may need a new garage door opener. Because my garage door openers still work, but they still have the old incandescent, or I guess you could put an LED in it.
Yeah.
And what you're telling me is I've got old technology.
You do. You do. Let's go look at that garage door after this.
Oh, goodness. Well, you know what? I have to say, because I keep everything maintained, it still runs, and that's a good lesson.
True.
If you maintain things, even though it's kind of old, it's kind of like my body, okay? I'm old. I try to maintain it. Therefore, I last longer, right? And everyone should be doing that. You should call right now. This is your last opportunity to get, for just $129, a full comprehensive garage door tune-up, to get 10 free, that's right, I said free, premium nylon rollers for your garage door and a 29-point safety inspection. Call Cody at Garage Door Doctor right now.
281-343-3632. That's 281-343-3632. Again, a little slower, 281-343-3632.
Free door quotes. Let's talk about that.
Yeah, absolutely. We do free door quotes. So we don't just fix, we can also replace. Just ask our CSR, can I get a door quote?
All right, we'll see you next time, everybody. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for listening to the Checka Pro Radio Show. For more information on how to select the right contractor for your project, visit our website, checkaproradioshow.com. Join us again next week at the same time.